welcome back to another video. Today, it's nothing crazy, just something I'm throwing together, just trying to get comfortable doing this again. I'm gonna run to O'Reilly's and see if it's just a coolant issue with this thing. If not, I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna be sick. Oh, it's gonna turn. So hopefully, because I was looking in the reservoir, it looked pretty dry in there, so I'm hoping that if I just throw some coolant in, we'll be chilling, because there's no leaks, there's nothing going on, so let's hope. We are here. Personally, I don't know why, but I prefer O'Reilly's over AutoZone every day of the week. But yeah, let's see what's up in here. I'm foolish. I walked right past it. Got the goods. The blue Asian vehicle coolant antifreeze, whatever the hell you want to call it. You know, I felt like it smells like coffee in here because freaking spilled coffee the other day leaving the Rivals car meet. Very upset. I feel like a fool admitting this. I've never actually put antifreeze in my car. And so I've always just put water. And so I was very nervous buying this. Like, I'm scared that it's gonna like mess up the engine, but I know it's not going to. It's not. Let's take a little look-see under the hood. It's filthy, so don't judge me, please. That's what everybody's been waiting for. The Neo, don't mind that. The Neo RB25. Like I said, it's absolutely filthy. So let's pop off this and throw some in there and try to not spill it all over the place. Ooh, it's like dummy proof. Ah, I was trying to break the tab off. It's a child lock. Ooh, hell yeah. Alright, I only spilled about 25% of it. It's okay. It's cool. I'm gonna run the car, let it burp itself a little bit. Oh, hell yeah. Maybe that's why they sell funnels and shit. We're cooked. Oh, I'm so sick. Okay, so this is a problem that I've had in the past with other cars. I think the fan ain't kicking on, because now that I'm driving, it's starting to go down. And so, you know, y'all car gurus, correct me if I'm wrong, because I learn as I go. I'm by no means a mechanic. I'm not mechanically inclined. I learn as I go. And this is my first real issue with this car, so let me know. Now we're chilling. And that's just from driving for a couple minutes. Not even a couple minutes, a couple seconds. I just barely pulled out the parking lot. But damn, man. Oh, I'm not trying to. I want to be sick. It's alright. God is blessing me. I can afford this. In the past, I would be sick because I wouldn't have another car. I wouldn't be able to drive anywhere. But God has blessed me. I will, God will help me figure this out. So basically what I'm gonna do right now I'm gonna just see if I go drop this off at the mechanic, see what's up. The homies over at Final Speed Garage in Temecula, I'm gonna see if they can hook it up. So I'm gonna go and talk to Ruby, see if she could meet me over there to pick me up, and then yeah, try to figure this all out. So the Skyline will be out of commission till at the earliest, like end of next week. This isn't how I planned on today's video going. So I'm a little bit upset, but you know what? It's all right. God has a plan. Things are going to be okay. We're going to figure it out. And next time I get at you guys, we'll hopefully have an answer to what's going on with the Skyline. I'm probably going to get a couple other things done just because may as well while it's in there. But yeah, once again, thank you guys for coming and listening to me talk and, you know, be with me, you know, be bored with me. I appreciate y'all. You know, I'm super blessed to be in this position. I'm super happy that I've pushed myself to finally start posting again. Thank you again for watching. You know, make sure, you know, if you like hanging out with me, come back, you know, subscribe and whatnot. But you know what, hey, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay happy, and you know, I hope you guys can find the good things in life and realize that we're all blessed, and you know, the bad times come to an end, and there is always going to be an up to the down that we are in. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.